Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're doing an update here for Zebec Network. So currently right now, we're trading at 0.001387. We are down only 1.59% in the last 24 hours. And we do see a surge of the volume here at 33%. So we're seeing a lot of gained interest going into a Zebec today. Now going into the daily time frame here, this is pretty exciting. The price it still is remaining in this descending triangle. However, we're seeing a possible reversal pattern, which is a piercing bottom of our candlesticks. And we're going to get into that 4-hour time frame, but potentially we may be breaking out the 50% of our Fibonacci level at 0.0141. This is essential, the first sign here to see a reversal from our bulls, essentially because it is breaking this trend line at the very top here and breaking another area of our 50% of our Fibonacci level. But most importantly too, if we take a look around this area, we have been hitting this area as a hard resistance line ever since breaking through that 50 close from the last daily close. Now going into a few of our histograms as well with the MACD indicator, we see these histograms getting smaller in size. So it does show a lot of strength of the buyers really showing interest in this coin. If we see a daily close above our 50% of our Fibonacci, we're going to come up to this area of our secondary resistance at 0.015. This is going to be the first sign of a breakout potential for Zebec Network in the long run. Zooming into the 4-hour time frame, again in the last 4-hour segment, we're seeing a lot of bullish interest in Zebec Network as the price is coming up to our 20 moving average. A close above our 20 moving average is going to be again another significant sign for that shift of momentum. When we take a look at our RSI, the RSI currently right now is at 49%. Now this is very neutral momentum here. If we do see a closer to 50 to 60%, especially if we do close off crossing above our signal line here on our RSI, it is going to have a shift in that momentum and it's going to show us a buy signal. But most importantly, again, on the daily time frame, we're hoping and waiting for a breakout through this trend line. Going back onto the 4-hour time frame as well, we can see that the histograms are flattening here, showing us a shift of that momentum again and possibly favoring over to the bulls. So in the next 48 hours, it's going to be very crucial, especially when we see a 4-hour close in this candlestick. If we're able to come up and retest that 50% of our Fibonacci at 0.0141, we may be able to break out. We have seen a failed breakout in the last 4-hour segment as we are coming up to this point. Typically, when we're looking for a breakout for trend lines, we want to break out, use it as an area of support, and then continue on. So we had seen a failed breakout, which does show a lot of bullish momentum. So we know that the bulls are pushing it as much. People may just be capitalizing and doing long positions and selling from this end here. But most likely in the next 24 hours, we're going to retest that and hopefully use it as an area of support so we trigger other areas of resistance. Downside though, if we do see a lot of selling pressure, mainly around this area of resistance, most likely price is going to retrace closer to this area of support that we saw in the last couple 4 sessions, closer to 0.0126, and then seeing how the price reacts around there if the buyers are able to defend it. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. I do feel like we are going to break out in the next 2 hours, essentially when this 4 hours does close. And if we do see a retest of this resistance, just double check if we're going to find that area of support from resistance to support, or if we are going to do another failed breakout like what we saw in the last couple of sessions. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.